So student, hope you are fine. So in this video you will find the solution of exercise 4.2 class 10 maths. Okay, so the first equation, find the two number whose sum is 27 and product is 182. So this is very easy. So I have used this technique. Okay, so let one number be x, the other number will be 27 minus x. Why 27 minus x? Because their sum is given 27. So one number is x, other number will be 27 minus x. In their product means x into 27 minus x will equal to 182. So multiply 27x minus x square 182. So bring this 182 this side. So now we have to multiply the complete equation by minus 1. If we multiply by minus 1, then no harm because right side is 0. So minus 1, then x square, then minus 27x, minus plus 182. Now by factorization method we have to do it. So 182 we can divide it by 13. 13 ones are 13 and 13 fours are 52. Okay, so 27 we can express as the sum of 13 plus 14. So x square minus 13 plus 14x plus 182. So x square minus 13x minus 14x 182. From first two we have taken common x, so x minus 13. From second two we have taken common minus 14, so x minus 13. So this is x minus 13, then x minus 14 equal to 0. So either x minus 13 equal to 0 or x minus 14 equal to 0. So from here we will get x equal to 13, from here we will get x equal to 14. This 13 and 14 are the numbers. So the numbers are 13 and 14. Next question is find two consecutive positive integer whose sum of square is 365. Okay, so let the numbers are, this is a consecutive number, so divide by 1 only. So if one number is x, then other number will be x plus 1. Now what is the question? Sum of whose square? So sum of square, so x square, this will be x square, and this x plus 1 whole square equal to 365. So this is x square, so a plus b whole square formula we have to apply here. So x square plus 2ab plus b square, so 365. X square 2x square, then this is 2x 1, and bring 365 left side, so we will get minus 365. So here it is 2x square 2x 364 equal to 0. Divide both side by 2, then we will get here x square plus x minus 182. So same as before, we are getting here 182, here also 182. So 13 14, 13 1 is 13, then 52, 13 4 is 52. So in place of 1, here is 1, so in place of 1 we will write 14 minus 13. So 14x minus 13x is equal to 1. So x square 14x minus 13x 182. So from first two we have taken common x, so x plus 14. From second we have taken 13 minus 13 is common, so x plus 14. So x minus 13, x plus 14 equal to 0. So from either again x minus 13 equal to 0, so x equal to 13, or x plus 14 equal to 0, x equal to minus 14. This is rejected. Why rejected? Because our question is the positive integer. So if one number is x, then other number x plus 1. So one number is 13, then other number 13 plus 1, 14. So the number of 13 and 14. Okay, everything it is clear. Next question, let us see. Next question is, the altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13, find the other two sides. So this is also based on Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Perpendicular square plus base square equal to hypotenuse square. Let base is equal to x centimeter. So what will be altitude? So altitude means perpendicular will be 7 meter less, 7 centimeter. So 7 less. Okay, 7 less. So this is base, this is B, this is perpendicular, and hypotenuse is given. Hypotenuse is given is to be 13 centimeter. So I apply Pythagoras theorem here. So what is P square? P square is x minus 7. What is B square? X square. And what is hypotenuse here? 13 square. So according to question. So now I apply here x minus y whole square. So x square minus 2ab plus b square, then x square into 13 169. So we are getting here 2x square minus 14x plus 49, then this will be minus 169 equal to 0. So we are getting here 2x square minus 14x minus 1 4, this is 120 to 0. So divide both side by 2. Divide both side by 2, we will get here x square minus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. Okay. Now divide 60 in such a way that we get two number whose subtraction is 7. So 60, so 5 12 is 60. Okay. 5 12 is 60. So in place of 7 we can write 12 minus 5x minus 60 equal to 0. So x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 equal to 0. So x common, so x minus 12, here is 5 common, x minus 12 equal to 0. So x minus 2 again common, so x plus 5 equal to 0. So either x minus 12 equal to 0 or x plus 5 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 5 and x equal to 12. Okay, so this is the solution, but side cannot be negative, so it is rejected. It is rejected. Therefore, base is 12 centimeter. Then altitude will be 12 minus 7 equal to 5 centimeters. So this is the complete solution. Hope you understand this. So this is clear. So next question and the last question for today. In the last question, number 6, a cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed that in a particular day and that the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice of the number of articles produced. So this is the relation we have to remember on that day, and the total cost is this. So very easy one. So last number of article produce on that day be x. Okay, so what is the cost? Therefore cost of each article will be 3 more than the twice of the article produced. So this rupees. Okay, now what is total cost? According to question, total cost will be to number of article produced and the cost of each article. Okay, this is the cost of it, the product of these two, x into 2x plus 3, and the total cost is given as 90 is equal to 90. So solve this and we get the answer. So 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equal to 0. So we have to divide this 90 again. So 90 we have to divide into two numbers, so that we will get so 90, this is the 90, so factorization. So our process is, if there is a constant term in x square, so we have to multiply this 90 by 2, so 180. So now divide 180 into two terms. So 12, so we will get here 12, 12 ones are 12 and 12 5s are, so 12 and 15. and 15 minus 12 will be equal to 3. So in place of 3 we will write 12. So this is we have to remember this thing. So whenever we get an equation of this type 2x square plus 3x minus 90, then in this coefficient of x square we have to multiply with the constant term. Clear? So now we will write here 2x square plus, in place of 3x we will write 15 minus 12 x minus 90 equal to 0. So 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 equal to 0. So from first 2 and second 2, first 2 x is common. So 2x plus 15, from second what is common, 6 is common. So what is again 2x plus 15 equal to 0. So 2x plus 15 x minus 6. So either 2x plus 15 equal to 0, so x equal to minus 15 by 2, or x minus 6 equal to 0, x equal to 6. So this is negative. Negative cost cannot be negative, then production cannot be negative. This is rejected. So number of article produce is 6, and cost of each article is equal to 2 into 6 plus 3, so equal to 12 plus 3, 15 rupees. So this is the complete solution. So hope you understand these chapters clearly. Okay, next time see you again.